Okay, so we've got our Micah Stampley, I think his wife is Heidi. We've got their beignets, they came out pretty good. And we have my own homestead peach preserves. Okay, so this requires 2 cups. We're not gonna make the whole bag. We're gonna do a portion. So 2 cups of beignet mix and 1 cup of hot water.
It doesn't have to be boiling hot, but you gotta have some hot water, okay? And some flour, all-purpose flour, or whatever you want to use there, okay? Very simple. Everything you need is in the mix. All you have to do is add water. That's it, all right?
I think we mix it. And mix. Okay, so we've mixed it to this consistency. It's supposed to be kind of sticky or whatever.
Your beignet mix, it should be sticky, not soupy and not too dry. See how it's sticky. That's what you want.
And then we're supposed to put flour on a cutting board and sort of knead it into a ball and let it sit in the bowl for 30 to 40 minutes. Probably, I guess, to let it rise. There must be some kind of rising agent in it.
Be sure that you knead properly. It's going to be very important. We're going to wrap this up. 40-45 minutes. Room temperature. So you want to put this in a nice warm area, probably on top of the stove, somewhere where it's warm. If you don't, if your home is not room temperature, then you want to double the time so that the dough can proof properly. Okay, so a couple hours, I say, to let this proof.
We've added a little bit of flour at different points of mixing in this bowl, and a little more flour, a little more flour till we got it down to this consistency. It's not so soupy like it was before we added the flour. So I can't tell you how much flour because we just added a little bit at a time until we got it kind of like a dough ball here. So we're gonna cover it for 30 to 40 minutes, the directions say, and then we'll go ahead and fry these up in oil and see what we got.
If you want a perfect beignet, the temperature of your fryer, or if you're cooking on your stove, electric stove, is 370 degrees. That is the perfect temperature for your beignet. We're going to drop it in this oil. It's already preheated, and your dough should pop up within 7 to 8 seconds. And you're gonna see how it's just puffing up. The effect that you want your beignets to look like a pillow. I'll let it cook maybe a minute on each side. Look how beautiful that is. And I'm just gonna flip it. Boom. Wow.
Okay, so we've got our Micah Stampley, I think his wife is Heidi. We've got their beignets, they came out pretty good. And we have my own homestead peach preserves that we put on top of it with some vanilla ice cream and a whole glass of milk. So let's do the taste test here. It's almost, not exactly, but almost like the texture of a donut with peach jam on it. A little ice cream. That's some good stuff.